Hi guys, it's Mrs. Tellas again. I'm going to do a mixture problem. So this one is a chemistry lab problem and I have two different vinegars. One is 2% acetic acid and the other is 5% acetic acid. And I want to make 25 milliliters of a vinegar. And when I mix them, I want to come out with a 3.2% acetic acid. So the two totals, again, I always look for those totals first for a system of equations. So my first total is going to be the 25 milliliters. And the second total is the mixture percent that I want. So for my quantity equation, because I want to make 25 milliliters, I do x plus y equals 25, where x, I should write down what x is so I don't get confused. X is the 2% acetic acid mixture of vinegar, and y is the 5% acetic acid mixture of vinegar. So I'm adding those two together and I want 25 milliliters. And then to do my mixture for the 3.2%, I have to change them all to percents or to decimals rather than percents. So remember, when I do that, I take my decimal and I move it up two places. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. And that's going to give me the decimals I can use. So if you noticed in the mixture equation, I did the 0.02x plus the 0.05y because I'm adding those two mixtures together. And I put what I want, the 3.2% as a decimal, and I multiply it by how much I want, which is the 25 milliliters. So this one's just a little bit different because you have to put the other total in there, they're 25, and you have to multiply. All right, so let's go ahead and clean this up because on the right side, we've got a decimal that we could multiply. So that's 0.8. Okay, so that's a little bit better. It's still not great because of all these decimals, but it's not terrible. Okay, and again, I think I'm going to use substitution. So let's solve for x. So we'll subtract y on both sides. So x equals 25 minus y, and that's what I'm going to put into that decimally equation. So 0.2, and then I'm putting the box in right in there. So 25 minus y plus 0.05y is 0.08. And then I'm distributing the 0.2. So 25 times 0.02 is 0.5. And 0.2 times y is 0.02y. And then the rest of it I'm just copying. And I'm going to combine like terms. So these two need combined. My decimal's missing there. 0.5 plus, so 0.05 and 0.02 is 0.03y equals 0.8. So I just combined like terms. That's all I did. Now I'm subtracting the 0.5 on both sides. And that's a minus, so that would be 0.3. And then I divide both sides by 0.03. So 0.3 divided by 0.03 is 10. So I have one of my answers. So the 5% solution needs 10 milliliters of this vinegar, the 5%. So then if I plug the 10 back in up here, I know it's the y. So x plus y equals 25. If I put that 10 in there for y, because I just came up with it, and I subtract on both sides, x is 15. So that means that I need 15 milliliters of the 2%, and I need 10 milliliters of the 5%. And it adds up nicely, so it totally works.